Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best trellises that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Sender Garden Trellis. Multi-packs mean you're likely to get some sort of a deal. In this case, it's 2 excellent trellises for under $100. These trellises mix clean, minimalist lines with a few ornate details and an iron frame for stability. The structures are further supported by 6-inch ground spike inserts. Each trellis is 5.6 pounds, which is on the lightweight side. This means you can probably lift and move them fairly easily on your own. But because of this, they're most appropriate for flowers and smaller vegetables. Something like a cucumber may be too heavy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wrought trellis. The best trellises don't need to be big and fancy. Sometimes a small, affordable option does the job. These cute mini trellises are made from durable green plastic, which blends in with the surroundings and reduces visual clutter. You can easily stack them together for taller plants, or place them side by side for wider ones. Because of their size, 10.2 by 6.1 by 2.2 inches, they can only support one potted plant at a time. You snag them in packs of 4, 6, or 12. Just keep in mind that they are only suitable for potted plants. At number 3, we have the Trellises Designs Fort 30 Freestanding Lattice Wrought Iron Garden Trellis. Don't have the space required for the garden of your dreams? This is the best trellis for you. As a freestanding trellis, you can move it around as needed and even fold it up like an accordion in the off-season. That said, wall brackets are included if you want to secure the trellis beyond the 2-pronged stakes, or you can snag a wall-mounted trellis of the same design. In addition, we love that wrought iron is sealed with a durable powder coating that has a little bit of texture for climbing plants to grab onto as they grow. Heads up! Assembly may take a little longer than anticipated, as no instructions are included in the box. At number 2, we have the Giantex 7.2 feet metal garden arbor trellis. The rails along this trellis are less ornate than many steel options and equally effective at creating the ideal environment for climbing plants to grow. At 7.2 feet high, even taller people can comfortably walk through. This trellis clocks in at 14.5 pounds of steel, which is on the lighter side. Steel is already durable, and even more so when it's spray-treated like this arch is. 8 ground stakes are included for stability, but some recommend further support as a precaution to prevent tipping. And finally at number 1, we have the best choice products set of 2 48 inches wood planter box and diamond lattice trellis. A trellis planter box combination is a 2-for-1 situation, and we love that this one comes in a set. The trellis part is 38 inches high with a classic lattice to provide structural support for climbing plants, while the planter box is 10 inches deep and equipped with drainage holes. They're made out of fir wood, which is naturally weather-resistant, and finished with an attractive walnut stain. You can install the included wheels, with locks, for easy mobility that's especially helpful when you need more or less sun exposure. These are pretty short for trellises, so keep that in mind if you have plants that need lots of room to spread out. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.